Kone ke mahu whangatu ngai whakatap po o sa mahu whaki. Tātā muk mato whanato mea piako ki katolia. Whaat mo mau ki kumarat mo lia. Mo whika ngā mo mahi mo mau tonga ane. Tukoa ko Johnny. Love you. Ka hiri apa e whātua mau ki hiwa.
Hello, Lele. Go ingoa. Ko Bernadette Masoy. Ka koa ko Palestine ki Victoria Stallions ki ta wafta fitu. Ko Palei. That I enjoyed. The Stallions had last year. He was very dedicated. He left them up within the group, not only within us, but with the whole Amatakilua conference. We just gotten back from Amatakilua from Hamilton, and everything that we did was all dedicated to you, Bart. And surprisingly, you helped us and brought the shield back home with us as overall winner. Bart, we miss you yesterday, today, and we'll miss you more tomorrow. You left a huge dent in our hearts, but we know God had greater plans for you. We love you, and may you rest in peace, my dear cousin, Ofatu.
Hi everyone, my name is Noa Whakaosi, and Ballet was in Stallions in my year when I was president, and it was such an honour to have him in our group. Sorry, I just fell into something. The darkest skin coloured person in our group, but the brightest personality that would light up the room. We've all met Bar personally at different times, but tonight we're gathering together as a group that encountered Bar as a loyal stallion. For those who may not know who the Stallions are, or our more formal name is the Victoria University of Wellington Tongan Students Association. Each year we gather for our main event, which is a Tongan conference called Amatakiloa, for all tertiary and politics in New Zealand. And last year, Bar and Johnny joined together with our other Hart brothers. What a year it was having Bar in the group. During my time as presidency last year, you brought a lot of stress to my head, but you were the type of person that made it so hard to be angry at you for long, which made my job even more frustrating. As a group and a family, we have already shared our many memories we have had with Bar. Like the time he told two of our girls to jump out a small-ass window, or the time our group got in trouble from our university leaders telling me that I needed to control some of our members in our group, later on finding out that it was Bar that got us in trouble for dancing on the table after practicing his laka laka. Shot Bar. Bar, you're the clown of the group, the one who would always turn awkward moments into funny moments, and the biggest troublemaker. You're a friend to us all, and most importantly, a brother. Together as Stallions, we mourn that you are gone, but together as Stallions, we also celebrate the life that you live. Thank you to your parents and the family for sharing Bar with us. Thank you for giving us the chance to experience his beautiful smile and his annoying laugh. You will forever be a Stallion, Bar. You will forever be our family. We still don't understand this loss in our Stallion family, but all we can leave with is faith, knowing that God's plans are always best. We love you so much, Bar. Rest in eternal love. Stallions up always.
God